Hi, there are a few ways how you can unblock phone numbers on Samsung Galaxy S25. So firstly, you can open your phone app, and if you know the name of the contact you want to unblock, then you can tap your Contacts tab, find it in the list, select it, tap Info icon, tap More, three dots, and choose to unblock by tapping this option. Or you can tap on three dots on top, choose Settings, then Block Numbers, and here tap this minus near blocked number, just like that. And now this contact is unblocked. Let's block it again. And the last way how you can unblock it is by going in Contacts app. Find your contact in the list, also tap three dots and choose to unblock. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.